Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here. And today, we're going to be talking about how I pay taxes, crypto taxes, through an LLC. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV once again. Johnny Switchblade here. And today we're going to be talking about how I pay taxes, crypto taxes, through an LLC. So, let's just get right into it, guys. So, this video, it's been a long time coming. Been kind of working on this for a while now, because obviously starting a business and getting everything situated is no easy feat. So I'm going to tell you what I did. I'm not done, actually. I'm actually not done. I'm giving you guys my first update in this process. So here it is. So first off, what you need to do, what are we talking about here today? So when you pay taxes, when you invest and you pay tax, when you earn after you invest, you have to pay outrageous taxes. You know, when you just make gains and, you know, you're paying them to yourself and you just cash out and pay them to your own bank account, you know, you're subject to a lot of taxes. And I'm going to tell you how to get around some of them. Not much, but some of them. You still have to pay taxes because, I mean, taxes are inevitable. There's nothing you can do about it. You have to pay taxes, but this is just a little way to save some money on taxes. This is not financial advice. I'm not an accountant or anything like that. I got this information from an accountant, and I'm just relaying it to you guys. So, this is what I did, guys. First and foremost, you got to start a business. You got to start a business, and there we are. State of California, I am now the proud owner of Gwei LLC, a crypto mining company. Yes, you heard that right. Gwei LLC, a crypto mining company. So, what did I do? I had to go onto the Secretary of State's website. I had to file my articles of organization. I had to go back to the Secretary of State, file a statement of information. I had to get my EIN number. This is the most important thing. One of the most important things is I had to go to the IRS. Where's my EIN? I'm not going to show you guys my EIN. But, so you get an EIN. An EIN is like your social security number for your business, because your business is a separate entity. So you create this EIN, you already organize your business, and then what you have to do, what I recommend doing, because it's a lot harder if you don't, is you need to start a website. You can go to our website, gwei.us. Check it out, guys. You guys going to see. We're going to be building some ASIC miners eventually. We're starting off with some graphics cards because I know the shortage sucks, guys. The shortage freaking sucks. So I'm going to try to get you guys some graphics cards through my new business, gwei.us. A mining company. It's what we like to do. Anyway, so go to my website, check it out, gwei.us. It's not much right now, but it's a website and it allows me to do what I need to do in this next step, which is create a business email address. Business email address is super important. Super important because it's going to help you later on with your business credit and all that stuff like that. That's a whole nother video, but very important. Another thing you want to do that a lot of people don't know about when they are establishing a new business is to create a DUNS number. A DUNS number is kind of like, it's kind of like your Experian. It's like your credit score in a way. It's kind of like it's an identifier for Dun and Bradstreet, who um, they kind of rate your business. So why is this important? The reason being is because if you're working with Dun and Bradstreet, in order to have any type of federal government contracts or anything like that, you have to apply for a DUNS number, which establishes your business in that aspect. Why is this important? This is for crypto mining. It's not important at all. But what it is important for is that it establishes, it kind of establishes your reputation as a business. So it kind of puts you like it puts you in the eyes of the corporate world. It puts you in their eyes as a legitimate business in the U.S. So you want to do that. You want to get your DUNS number. You want to get that all established. After I did that, what did I do? I didn't do much, guys. After that, I have a Google phone number. That's all I have right now. My other numbers are kind of tied up with my other businesses, so I will eventually get a business line for this company, an 800 customer service number that people can call for their packages and stuff like that. Anyways, so get that number, get the 800 number. So this again is one of those things that just establishes you better in the eyes of the corporate world. So you get that. After I got all that, I was basically ready to go get my business bank account. So I went to a bank, a mainstream bank. I'm not going to tell you who I bank with, just because it does say, they do ask if you're involved with like any type of crypto, if anything like that. I didn't state that I was involved with crypto because I'm not a coin. The way they write it, the way the verbiage is they kind of make it out. They're asking you if you're basically, if you're like a token or you're involved with investing for people and stuff like that. I don't do any of that. All I do is mine. I cash out and I do all of that stuff in my Coinbase account, and then I transfer it to my business bank account. So all the funds that go into there are strictly just funds that I cashed out already. So if you read the fine print, you know, you kind of barely fit in there. So if you want to know who I bank with, follow me on Twitter. Send me a message on Twitter, and I will let you guys know there. I just don't want to give out too much personal information here on YouTube, but like I said, if you want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead and send me a message over there, and I could hook you guys up with that. Anyway, so it took me a couple days, but I applied for a business bank account with this bank. I gave them all my business information that I was talking about, my EIN, not my social. I gave them the business EIN. I gave them the business email. I gave them the business phone number for now. I gave them the business address. Everything matches up. All my paperwork lines up. They are all the addresses. Everything all lines up. So my bank account was approved. I was able to establish a bank account. I had to make like a $200 deposit or whatever, and just like any other bank account. And so I was able to establish my bank account. And the last step I'm on is I'm actually making a Coinbase institution account. What a Coinbase institution account is, it's basically a business Coinbase account. So it kind of separates your earnings from your business earnings. And this is the most critical part in the entire step. So you don't end up paying double taxes. Right now, since my personal Coinbase account is tied to my business account, I transferred over funds one time using my personal Coinbase account just because I needed to cash out and I needed to start establishing my my proof of income in my record of income in my bank account. So I did transfer from my personal Coinbase account, which I may have to pay taxes on through my personal taxes on through Coinbase, And I may have to pay taxes on the money that I put into my business separately as a business entity. So that's going to kind of suck. But I am going to talk to my account and see what I have to do about that. And I'll give you guys an update on that. But once my Coinbase account, my Coinbase institution account is set up and linked to my business bank account, that's it. I mean, my personal ties are done, guys. It is now strictly a all my profits are all strictly going straight through my business. So why am I doing this? What is the significance of this? So the tax benefit of this is you have way more to write off in a business than you can write off as a crypto investor in the personal finance world. As a business, all the money you receive, you can spend on everyday business equipment, anything you need to run a business. You can spend that money to, you can spend your money for the operations of that business. So, for instance, office furniture, crypto mining stuff, GPU stuff like that, computers, camera equipment, basically everything I'm using for YouTube, all that stuff, I can now write off through my crypto mining business. My LLC is my umbrella corporation, which I do have a DBA for different businesses. I also have other LLCs with other DBAs and stuff like that. But for this one specifically, this one's gonna hold all my crypto related stuff. So anything related to crypto and me, this is what Gwei LLC is for. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's the bare minimum of what we got going on with this. And I mean, if you guys want more information, I didn't want to get super in depth because I didn't want this video to go super insanely long. So if you want more information, guys, comment down below. Tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what specifics you want to hear about crypto taxes and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm not an accountant. I can't, don't take my word for it, guys. Do not take my word for it. Do your own research. I'm just some guy on the internet that is spitting you out what I learned. So, not financial advice. Do your own research. And yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today. Comment down below, subscribe, do all that stuff that the YouTubers tell you to do. And we will be back next week for another video. Peace!